you guys.
Oh, right. All right, this is gonna be one of the elevators here at the Disney Boardwalk Resort. Got a Montgomery with older Innovation Universal. Well, actually, it's a bit newer because it's clicky. It doesn't slide in. But it's not like new. I can tell by the font.
It looks like it's EV3. It's California.
Anyways, we're gonna go to 2. Let's listen to the motor.
That was epic.
Alright, send it back down. Yeah, you can push it.
Okay. Braille's aren't original.
Buttons are burnout. Yeah, this is definitely the older kind because it just slides in. Oh, now it works. That's weird.
Actually, it runs a lot better than it did the last time I was here.
Really?
Yeah, it was horrible.
Here's a cab view. The cab's pretty nice. I'll let you send it back up.
Okay.
Alright, and we're gonna get off there and we'll ride some of the other ones here. And we're gonna get off.
These are definitely not original.
At least the brails aren't, yeah.
White Delta Star.
Yeah.
That's it.
There it goes. And that's it.